Yeah, guys, did Monica actually go to Canada or did she give the opportunity to someone else? Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing this Monica part 2 that's going to be dropping today by 6 p.m. on Uche Montana TV here on YouTube. But guys, from the videos we've been seeing online and on even Uche Montana's Facebook page, guys, nothing has really changed about Monica. Like, she's still wearing that same wig, that same attire, like literally everything. Nothing has changed. This part too, are we sure it's what we are expecting, or is Uche Montana going to pull another stunt on us? Because I don't really understand. Like, I don't know the story Uche Montana is trying to tell us, but I just hope it's something that will give me joy, something that I want to see. Like, I want to see Monica revenge her siblings. I want to see Monica avenge what they did to her. Like, you understand? That's what I want to see. But the videos we've been seeing is not giving it. So let's just wait till 6 p.m. and see Monica part 2 to know if it's actually worth the patience and the time that we've been waiting for. So guys, do not forget to comment, like this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.